Wait, did you know you can actually learn English while walking?
Yes, and no, I'm not joking. You don't need a desk, a book, or even a quiet room.
It's called the walking conversation method. And trust me, it feels almost like magic.
Magic that actually works. You walk, you talk, your brain learns, all at the same time.
Welcome back to Speak English Daily channel. I'm Anna, and I'm so excited to show you this method today.
And I'm David. Happy to have you here. Let's take your English to the next level while moving around.
Before we start, a quick favor. If you love learning English with practical tips like this, click subscribe, hit like, and share with your friends. Learning is always better together.
All right, let's start moving. Literally.
First, why walking? Why not just sit and read grammar?
Well, here's the thing. Your brain loves movement. Walking activates your memory, improves focus, and even helps you recall words faster.
That's right. And the walking conversation method combines listening, speaking, and thinking, all while you move.
Imagine this. You're walking in the park, headphones in, repeating English sentences aloud, shadowing real dialogues, and boom, your fluency improves naturally.
It's way better than sitting with a textbook. Think about it. How often do you really use English while sitting still?
Exactly. Real-life English happens while moving, talking, interacting. This method mimics that.
So let's break it down step by step.
Step 1, choose your short dialogue. Could be from a podcast, a movie, a YouTube clip, something under 20 seconds.
Step 2, start walking. Begin repeating the dialogue out loud while walking. Don't worry about perfection. Just focus on flow, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Step 3, after shadowing a few times, create your own mini version of the conversation. Use the same pattern, but change the words slightly.
And here's the best part. All of this takes just 5 to 10 minutes a day.
5 to 10 minutes, and your brain is actively learning English the way native speakers do.
Let's try a simple dialogue example while walking in your mind.
Hi, how was your day?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. I went for a walk in the morning.
Shadow it. Repeat it while walking, then create your own version.
Hi, how's it going?
Great. I went jogging this morning.
Nice. Did you enjoy it?
See how easy it is? No grammar memorization, no translating in your head, just patterns and repetition.
And here's a mini trick. Exaggerate your mouth movements while walking. Your tongue and lips learn faster when they move actively.
Yes, and it feels silly at first, but that's exactly why it works. When you feel a little awkward, your brain actually remembers better.
I had a student who used to walk around his apartment, repeating dialogues like a character in a movie. After just 2 weeks, he was speaking faster and more naturally.
That's the power of walking. It makes learning dynamic, engaging, and surprisingly fun.
Step 4, add listening. Put on a short English clip and listen while walking. Then repeat what you hear immediately. Shadowing plus walking equals magic.
Step 5, reflect. After your walk, takes 30 seconds to think about what you just practiced. Replay it in your mind.
That reflection step is crucial. It reinforces memory and helps you use those sentences in real conversations.
Let's give another example. You're walking home from work.
I had a busy day at the office.
Really? What kept you busy?
I had so many meetings, but I finished everything on time.
Shadow it while walking, then create your version.
Today was exhausting but productive.
Oh, what did you do?
I completed my reports and answered all emails.
It's simple, it's natural, and it feels like real-life English.
And the walking part, though, it tricks your brain into learning faster. Movement plus speaking equals fluency boost.
Another tip, Use real-life locations for practice. If you're in a cafe, practice ordering.
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Change it slightly for yourself.
Hi, can I get a cappuccino?
Yes, of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
It's about patterns. Patterns are easier than grammar rules.
Patterns become automatic, and automatic sentences are fluency.
Let's talk about mistakes people make with this method.
Mistake number 1, standing still. Walking is essential. If you just repeat while sitting, you lose the magic.
Mistake number 2, choosing long dialogues. Keep it short, less than 20 seconds. Small steps.
Mistake number 3, perfectionism. Don't worry if you sound funny. Laugh, repeat, improve.
And mistake number 4, skipping daily practice. Consistency beats intensity. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Let's add a real-life mini-story. I had a student who was too shy to speak English at home, so he started walking in his garden, repeating dialogues aloud.
After a week, his confidence skyrocketed. He could finally order food in English without hesitation.
Another student used his daily commute. He walked to the bus stop while repeating English sentences. Within 2 weeks, he noticed his listening skills improved drastically.
Walking also helps you remember new words naturally. You pair movement with language. Memory plus motion equals faster retention.
And here's a bonus. Walking relaxes your mind. Stress blocks learning. Walking reduces stress, making your English stick.
Now, let's try a mini routine you can do today.
Minute 1, listen to a short English clip.
Minute 2, shadow it while walking. Minute 3, repeat the dialogue, adding your own words.
Minute 4, walk while recalling the dialogue without the clip.
Minute 5, record yourself and listen after the walk.
That's it. 5 minutes of focused walking practice.
Do this daily and your sentences become automatic. Your pronunciation improves, your confidence rises.
And the best part, you don't need textbooks or long grammar sessions. You learn like a child, naturally.
Another dialogue example for practice.
I watched a movie yesterday.
Oh, which one?
It was a comedy. I laughed a lot.
Shadow it while walking, then personalize it.
I went shopping today.
Oh, really? What did you buy?
I bought some new shoes and a jacket.
Every day you can create new dialogues. The pattern is the same, the words change. That's fluency in action.
Tips to make it more fun. Change locations, talk about your day, describe objects around you, narrate stories in English while walking.
Yes, and if you feel silly, laugh. Learning is more effective when it's enjoyable.
Let's summarize the walking conversation method.
Step 1, choose a short dialogue.
Step 2, walk while shadowing it.
Step 3, make your own version.
Step 4, listen, repeat, and record.
Step 5, reflect and repeat daily.
Do this consistently and you'll see your English become smoother, natural, and confident.
Your future self will thank you. 5 minutes a day, maximum impact.
And if you want more practical methods like this, subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Practice with us every day. Watch your English transform while you walk.
Remember, English learning doesn't need to be boring. Move, talk, repeat. That's the secret.
Walking plus talking equals fluency faster than you ever imagined.
Start today, even for 5 minutes. Your brain, your mouth, and your ears will thank you.
And keep sharing your mini dialogues in the comments. We love seeing your progress.
See you in the next episode. And yes, keep walking and speaking. It really works.